Hello!
We are Nagano Harvest CAS.
Our mission is to promote a deeper understanding of food production and consumption here at UWC ISAK Japan.
An issue that we identified on campus is that among this very stressful high school experience, students were not connecting with themselves or with the food they were eating or with the nature around them. And what better way to connect is through food and food production and consumption. This is the cafeteria, a food hub on campus.
Here you go.
Something that we did on campus is setting up a feedback corner. This is a way that we connect as students with the cafeteria staff who work here on campus and serve us food 3 times a day, 7 days a week.
At this feedback corner, students can actually see the menu of the week, but also there is like some books where students can write positive feedbacks, general feedback about dining, and can actually put their receipt from their country so that they can eat like home.
Hi, I'm Ayan. This is where we sell apples as part of our CAS, and basically we invite a local apple farmer to sell his imperfect apples to the students so that the apples don't go to waste and also students can enjoy really inexpensive but delicious apples.
I think this apple initiative is a great idea because, here at ISAK, we're not apple snobs at all. We're just merely students who are in desperate need of fresh fruit and vegetables, and that is what this cafe has given to us. And the apples are absolutely delicious.
Yes, we are very grateful with this initiative. The apples are fresh, easy, delicious, and bring us a lot of happiness. So, yeah.
Hi, similarly to our apple initiative, we also hold ISAK farmers markets, where we sell our damaged produce from local Nagano farmers, such as corn, eggplant, and onions and carrots at a reduced price, connecting our student body to cheap produce and also fostering a connection between our local farmers and our student body.
Welcome to our community garden! So it's winter right now and things are looking a bit grim, but we did hold many weekend gardening parties just to get students outside enjoying the weather and connecting with each other and with nature. Here was an herb garden, here are the flowers, and over there is a little Japanese garden, which will come back in the spring and we can't wait to see it. We would also like to talk a little bit about what we did in our last fall project. We went to Ozuchi, which was a very long car drive away. In this little small village, we were able to meet an old man called Nobu-san because we wanted to experience the traditional Japanese agricultural scene. We stayed with him a week, ate his food, and helped him take all the vegetables out of his garden. We also helped him patch up his house with traditional Japanese methods, carried firewood, and it was an amazing experience to be in such an isolated place but be surrounded by this warm agricultural scene of the country.
Here we go.
As a foreigner, I came to Japan because I wanted to experience the real traditional Japanese culture. Going to Ozuchi was a wonderful experience for me, sleeping in a real traditional Japanese house, one tatamis, and getting to enjoy foods made out of irori. It was just amazing.